Welcome back to Borak Solutions. Today we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, DeepMind's latest breakthrough in artificial intelligence. If you've ever wondered how far AI can go and what the future might hold, you're in for a treat. DeepMind, the pioneers of AI research, have done it again. But what does it mean for the future of AI, and more importantly, how does it affect all of us? Let's explore this revolutionary leap together. DeepMind has been behind some of the most impressive advancements in AI, AlphaGo, AlphaZero, and now their latest breakthrough, which could change the trajectory of AI as we know it. From game-playing AI to real-world problem solvers, they've taken AI from something theoretical to something world-changing. So, what is DeepMind's latest breakthrough all about? Without getting too technical, DeepMind has developed a new type of AI system capable of solving highly complex tasks that were previously out of reach for even the most advanced AI. We're talking about everything from scientific research to solving protein folding, a problem that's puzzled scientists for decades. DeepMind's AlphaFold, for example, cracked the protein folding problem, a breakthrough that could accelerate drug discovery and revolutionize medicine. In fact, it's already being used by researchers to study diseases and develop new treatments. Imagine an AI that can solve problems faster than any human brain, and in ways we might never have thought of. It's like having Einstein on speed dial. But it's not just science fiction, it's science fact. DeepMind's AI isn't just beating humans at board games anymore, it's tackling some of the world's biggest challenges. From climate modeling and energy efficiency to healthcare, DeepMind is using AI to create solutions that could change the world. Take energy consumption, for example. DeepMind's AI is already optimizing Google's data centers, reducing energy usage by 30%. Imagine what happens when this technology is applied to entire cities or industries. AI isn't just making things faster or smarter, it's making them greener too. One of the key techniques behind DeepMind's success is something called reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a dog with treats. Except instead of teaching Fido to sit, you're teaching an AI to learn from its mistakes and improve over time. DeepMind's reinforcement learning algorithms have powered AI systems that can not only learn, but also adapt and self-correct, getting better with every new task they take on. It's like giving AI a brain that learns from experience. Whether it's figuring out how to navigate a maze or solving the world's hardest puzzles, reinforcement learning allows AI to do things that would take humans years to figure out. So, why should you care about DeepMind's latest breakthrough? Well, AI isn't just a fancy tool for researchers. It's something that's going to impact every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to business, AI will soon be everywhere. And DeepMind's breakthroughs are paving the way for a future where AI is integrated into every industry. Imagine AI systems that help doctors diagnose diseases, AI that designs new products for businesses, or AI that helps governments solve complex infrastructure problems. DeepMind's work isn't just advancing AI. It's laying the foundation for a smarter, more efficient future. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? As exciting as these breakthroughs are, they raise important ethical questions. How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly? How do we make sure AI systems are transparent, unbiased, and fair? And how do we protect against the misuse of AI for malicious purposes? DeepMind is well aware of these challenges. They're working on developing AI systems that are not only powerful but also ethical and aligned with human values. It's about creating AI that benefits everyone, not just a select few. So what's next? With this latest breakthrough, we're on the verge of an AI revolution that could transform industries, solve the world's toughest problems, and even change the way we think about intelligence itself. Imagine a world where AI helps us cure diseases, reverse climate change, or even explore distant planets. The possibilities are endless, and DeepMind is leading the charge. But the journey is just beginning. And the breakthroughs we're seeing today are only the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve, it's going to reshape our world in ways we can't even imagine yet. In conclusion, DeepMind's latest breakthrough is more than just another step forward in AI. It's a leap into the future. It's a future where AI doesn't just solve theoretical problems but tackles real-world challenges head-on. As AI continues to advance, thanks to companies like DeepMind, the possibilities for innovation, discovery, and positive change are limitless. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into DeepMind's latest breakthrough. If you're as excited about the future of AI as I am, let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest from Borak Solutions. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and remember, AI is the future, and the future is happening now.